Hello. In this session, we will have look at the very basics of branching and PR flow. This slide can help you to visualize the flow that we are going to demonstrate. We have the main branch with all the latest code. Now we want to implement a new story or task or feature. We will be first creating a branch, say feature 1. We will pull that branch to our development machine. We will make changes to the code and will commit the code to this branch. Once changes are pushed to this feature branch, we will be creating pull request so that our peers can review our code. If everything is okay, they will approve the PR, and once PR is approved, we can merge that code to the main branch. Now our main branch will have all that code which was there in feature 1 branch. This change in code in main branch will trigger our CI/CD pipeline, which will build, publish and deploy our API changes to the app service. And this way, all the changes we merge to the main branch will be available on the hosted URL. This is very basic and fundamental flow. One can customize it to the great extent as per company requirement and policies. For example, we can have rules in PR that at least two peers need to approve the PR, then only we can merge it to the main branch. We can also add some checks or validations in PR. But in this session, we will be sticking to the very basic setup. For demo purpose, we will be making a tiny change to our API. In our API, we have an endpoint users/id, which returns dummy hard-coded user John. We will simply change this John to Sam. Go to Visual Studio, Git Changes tab, make sure that main branch is selected and pull the latest code. Now to create a new branch, click on this triple dot, new branch, name it feature 1 and create this branch. You can see that feature 1 branch is selected here. So now we are on feature 1 branch and we can make the code changes. So let us go to Solution Explorer and in Oran.application project, account app layer use cases, in that get user by ID use case, you will see get user by ID request handler. In this file, simply change this hard-coded name to Sam. Save the changes. Now again go back to Git Changes tab. You will see that one file is changed. You can double click on it to see what exactly is changed by you. Now as we are okay with this change, we want to commit and push this change to our feature 1 branch. So to commit this change, put some commit comment and then commit all these changes. With this step, you just committed your changes to local repository. To push it to the server, click on push button. Once it is pushed, you can create a pull request. To get this menu, you have to integrate your Visual Studio to DevOps by putting some credentials here. You can simply click on this link, which will open UI to create pull request in your browser. Or if you haven't integrated your Visual Studio to DevOps, you can simply go to the portal and go to the pull requests menu and click on new pull request and select feature 1 branch. Put the title for this pull request. You can add your peers as a reviewers. You can also link work item which is on your board to this pull request and then click on create. Always make sure that your source and target branch are proper. Let us create this pull request. Now your peers will get notification that you created the pull request and they can go to this files menu to review the changes. They can put the comments if they want you to make any particular change, or if everything is okay, they can approve the changes. Right now I am approving it for myself. Once it is approved, I want to merge these changes to main branch. So click on complete. Here you can define that what type of merge you need. This first type will preserve all your commit history in main branch as it is. In this second type, commit history to the feature branch will be removed while merging it to main branch. It will appear as single commit. So let us use this for now. If you want to delete feature branch after this merge, you can select this option or you can leave it blank. And let us click on complete merge. It should merge that change to our main branch. To verify that, we can go to repo main branch and go to that particular file, and let us check if that change is here or not. In account app layer, use cases, user use case, that change is in this file. So you can see that our main branch got that change. As our main branch got code change, it must have triggered our CI/CD pipeline. So we can go to pipelines, and you can see that our CI/CD pipeline is running over here. Merged PR username changed, which is causing this pipeline to run. You can go inside and examine all the steps. Once pipeline execution is finished, the change which we merged to main branch, it should be available on app services or hosted API. So if you will go to this hosted URL and refresh it, and you can see that name has been changed from John to Sam. After deploying any changes to app service, the first request may take few seconds to respond. So this is very basic PR flow which can be customized to great extent as per our requirement. Let us stop here. If you find this content useful, please like and subscribe. If you wish to receive a notification whenever a new episode is published, then do not forget to hit bell icon and click all option in the frequency dropdown. Thank you.